How to reverse a video on Instagram. Instagram does not have a built-in reverse feature, so you will need to use a third-party app to do this. Let me show you how. First, open the Instagram app and swipe right to access the story camera. Here, you can either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. However, if you look through the editing options, you won't find a reverse feature because Instagram has not added this option yet. To reverse a video, you need to use an external app. One of the best free apps for this is InShot. If you don't have it yet, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download InShot. Once installed, open the InShot app and tap on the video option to add a new project. This will open your phone's gallery. Select the video you want to reverse, then tap the checkmark icon to add it to the timeline. Now, find the reverse tool. If you don't see it right away, swipe the toolbar at the bottom to the left until you find the reverse option. Tap on it, and the app will start processing your video. Depending on the length and quality of your video, this may take a few seconds or minutes. Once it's done, you will see a message saying Reverse Success. To check your reversed video, tap the play button. If everything looks good, tap the share button, then select Save to save the video to your phone's gallery. Now, open the Instagram app again. Tap the plus icon at the bottom and choose whether you want to post the reversed video as a story or a reel. Select Reel or Story, then tap the plus sign to open your camera roll. Find and select the reversed video you just created. If needed, you can trim the video at this stage. Once you're happy with it, tap Add and then Next. Here, you can add music, stickers, or effects. When you're done editing, tap Next again and share the video with your followers. That's how to reverse a video on Instagram.